Okay, welcome back. We've got the pre-open, which is coming up on us, 4 minutes away, and the SGX is still indicating about a 70-75 point downtick. Anuj has hopped across from the next door studios. Anuj, what are you watching, the Nifty or cricket?
Cricket after 1:30, but till then, obviously the market. Prashant, but I remember yesterday I pointed out that
The Dow chart.
the Dow chart and the fact that if Dow has to reverse, that was a classical point for Dow reversal. Now, I'm not saying that it's reversed, but I take these very seriously. When the markets reverse from trend lines, you have to take them very seriously. And combine that with the bloodbath that you've seen in the crypto market, clearly there's a bit of a global risk off. And because the market has been so resilient, maybe the market ignores it for a couple of days and still tries the buy on dip trade. But the big question is, has the global market started a correction? The global risk, have they started a correction? A sharp correction, that is. If that is the case, then India will also participate in that. And also, you would have noticed that the FI flows dried up yesterday. So, the ETF buying that you've seen, is that also slowing down? That's something to keep an eye on. Let's look at the levels then on the Nifty. For the Nifty rally to resume, you need to now cross 18,300. That's from where you reversed basically yesterday. On the downside, the closing stop loss has to be trailed to 18,050 now. That's where the market's taken support 2 times in the past. So 18,050 becomes your level to watch. As I said, maybe there's a bit of a shakeout of this buy on dips trade, which has played out so beautifully. The other interesting thing to keep an eye on would be the India VIX. There was a sharp surge in the last hour yesterday. We don't talk about it much, but sometimes that also gives you a bit of a lead indicator. If the market has to see buy on dips, Bank Nifty would be the litmus test of that today, especially because there's this Axis block deal which will happen. So that will impact Bank Nifty immediately. After that, we'll see how Axis moves, how SBI moves, how ICICI Bank moves. But that's the stronger of the 2 indices because IT clearly has become very weak once again.
Okay, Anuj, thanks a lot for that. So that's the setup as far as today's trade is concerned. Just waiting for the pre-opening rates to kick in. Ashish Chaturmota is also joining